Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time clicking onto my video, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on my video, and I hope you stay and you join the family. So in today's video, we're going to make Coca-Cola sticky wings. So first you're gonna get your chicken wings, and then you're gonna wash them, and then you're gonna pit dry them. Then you're gonna transfer them onto a cutting board, and then you're just gonna cut them the way that I was doing it. I didn't want those smaller parts. I forgot what they're called, so I was removing them. But then yeah, you just cut them whichever way. If you want to keep those, you can just cut, like, I think the other ones are drums. So yeah, you can just cut them like that, and then you transfer them to a bowl, and you add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika. You also add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of Portuguese seasoning, and about half a teaspoon of black pepper, just like that. You're just gonna drizzle it, and then after that you're going to add some oil. The oil is going to help the spices to stick onto the chicken, and you're just going to mix everything together. If you don't want to use your hands, you can use a spoon. I just wanted to use my hands because it gets the work done better that way. So after you're done mixing your wings like that, you're just gonna cover them with a clean wrap, and then you're going to add them in the fridge and let them marinate. So after 2 hours, you're going to take your wings and put them on a baking tray, lay them just like that. So once you're done adding your chicken wings onto the baking tray, you're going to put them in the oven, and you're going to bake them for about 25 minutes at 180 degrees. So whilst our wings are baking in the oven, we're now going to make the Coca-Cola sticky sauce. So you're going to add about a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of that or whatever sauce, a cup of Coke, half a cup of tomato sauce, and then 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, and also 1 teaspoon of paprika. And you're just going to stir everything together. Just keep on cooking and stirring. Let it simmer up until the sauce thickens. So continue cooking up until your sauce thickens, and you set it aside. After 25 minutes, your wings should be looking like this, and then you just transfer them into a bowl. Now you're going to pour the sauce onto the wings. Pour everything. Make sure that all the wings are fully coated in the sauce. Make sure, keep on stirring. If the sauce is not enough, add more. I didn't add all of it because it was going to be a little bit too much, so I left the other sauce. You're gonna see where we're gonna use it. But yeah, your wings should be fully coated like that, and then now you transfer them back onto the baking tray. So many ways where I want you for you. Now you want to return, it's my love. So after adding all your wings onto the tray, I added more sauce to some of the wings, and then I just baked them in the oven for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, your wings should look something like this. I garnished them with parsley and sesame seeds, and I enjoyed mine with chips. And in a bowl, I added the remaining sauce. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.